In this video, we will discuss the assembly of fixed half of mold base. Before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself, and this is my introduction. I graduated from IIT Kanpur in the year 1971. I was general manager at Indo-German Tool Room, Ahmedabad, and I took training in West Germany in the design of tools. I am quite experienced in the design of tools. Rather, I went to Germany as a tool designer. So I would like to impart the knowledge in the field of design of tools. I have published an e-book on Amazon, and you can download it through Amazon. Before downloading, you can download the Kindle app on your mobile and laptop. The name of the book is Injection Mold Design Basics for Thermoplastics by Pramod Kayal. So with this, now I begin the video. So as I told you, today we will discuss the fixed half of mold base, that is assembly of fixed half of mold base. In fixed half there are four components. One is cavity plate, one is guide pillar, one is front plate, and the other is locating ring. Now you are seeing the cavity plate. This is the cavity plate and this is the guide pillar. So I will now you are seeing this is the cavity plate and these are the 1, 2, 3, and here I will fit the guide plate and show you how it is fitted. Now you can see that this is a counterbore hole. You can see the counterbore, and this is our pillar. This is our pillar, and I have discussed in detail about the pillar and guide bush in one of my separate videos, which you can see. Now this will go here. Now you can see here it is a counterbore, and this shoulder will go into the counterbore and sit there. Now this shoulder will sit in the counterbore. Now this is the spigot of the guide pillar, which will align the front plate with the cavity plate. So in the cavity plate there are 8 holes, 4 counterbore holes which you have seen, and these are the tapped hole. These are the tapped hole 4. These are the blind tapped hole. Blind tapped hole. That is, if I rotate it, now you can see, you don't see the blind hole here. It does not pierce this face. So the tapped hole is a blind hole. it is a blind hole. Now this tapped hole, as you will see, this tapped hole, there are 4, and this tapped hole is used to assemble the front plate with this cavity plate through the socket head cap screw. This is the socket head cap screw. It will go here and it will come through the front plate, and the front plate will be assembled with this cavity plate. So now I will assemble the front plate. This is the front plate which you have already seen in the another video. There are 4 holes. These 4 holes, big holes, they will be used to align this front plate with the cavity plate through the spigot of guide pillar. These are the counterbore holes. They will be used to assemble the cavity plate and the front plate through socket head cap screw. This is a counterbore having 2 tapped holes. Here the locating ring will come and it will be assembled with the front plate through these tapped holes, and in the locating ring there are 2 counterbore holes that you will see. So now I will assemble the front plate with the cavity plate. Now this, you can see that this front plate is aligned. The front plate is not assembled. It will be assembled through socket head cap screw, but now it is aligned through spigot of the guide pillar. So now I will assemble it through the socket head cap screw. So I will insert this 4 socket head cap screw and now you can see that I will tighten these socket head cap screws So these 4 socket head cap screws, they have been tightened, and through this is the front plate. The front plate and the cavity plate is assembled. Now we will assemble the locating ring. We will assemble the locating ring. This is the locating ring. It goes into the counterbore. It goes into the counterbore. This is the locating ring. It goes into the counterbore. You have already seen the assembly of locating ring with the front plate in another video, so I need not explain it again. So now you can see this locating ring is assembled with the front plate. So by this the assembly of fixed half of mold base is complete. As you can see, there are 4 components: front plate, cavity plate, guide pillar, and this is the locating ring. So now we will discuss about the material. Now material of the cavity plate is C45 or 1.1730 or EN8 when inserts are used. If inserts are not used, then the material of the cavity plate is mold steel. It is mold steel. Now the material of the front plate is C45 or 1.1730 or EN8, and it is not hard. The cavity plate is not hard when inserts are used. The cavity plate is not hard. When inserts are not used, it is a mold steel, and we can use suitable steel which can be hardened or which could be a pre-hardened mold steel. So this is the fixed half. Now you can see that this is a cavity plate, and here it is nothing. It is a simple plate. But when we convert this mold base into a mold, then we cut a pocket. It could be a rectangular pocket, it could be a square pocket, it could be a round pocket, and we fit the inserts in that pocket. So that is how the cavity plate contains the cavity. That is, cavity inserts are fitted in the cavity plate. So when you will see other videos, you will see how it is done. How it is done. So now this is a complete assembly of fixed half of mold base. It is called fixed half because it is fixed on the fixed platen of the injection molding machine. It does not move. And all other details you can see in my book. The reference description of the same is given in the description box. I also have given my email ID so that you can write me an email, and if you want to talk to me, write me an email, and then I will tell you the further process. Thank you.